In this video, best single electric burner for cooking.
It can be a bit tricky to find the best products with a wide range of options available. That's why we spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews in preparing this list. Our final rankings based on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. If you'd like to see their price and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description down below. Let's get started with the list.
Best single electric burner for cooking.
Starting off our list at number 5.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop. So let me just take this off so you can see something. This is the cast iron heating element. The element is underneath. It's really sturdy. And it's really great too, because if you happen to be a little, spill things a little bit here and there, it won't get down into the coil. So this part is brushed stainless. This is black accent. It's really simple and easy to use. It has 5 settings: off, minimum, and then all the way up to 5. So you might use minimum, let's say if you're trying to heat up some chocolate or keep something warm on the cooktop. The really nice thing about these cooktops, they're 1300 watts. They are really great to have around for an extra burner when you're entertaining or you're having friends and family over. It's also great for things like when you have like an RV and you need a little extra cooking surface. It's perfect for that. So there you have it, the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4.
Hey folks, Chef George Duran here to tell you a little bit about the IMUSA electric single burner. This burner offers an 1100 watt heating coil, making it perfect for travel, cooking indoors and outdoors, and even for office use. The indicator light lets you know when the device is on, and the easy to use temperature control knob allows you to easily adjust your heat settings. This is the electric single burner by IMUSA.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 2. And these are our ratings for this product. At number 1. And these are our ratings for this product.
Best single electric burner for cooking.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.